The Provincial Assembly of the Punjab is a unicameral legislature of elected representatives of the province of Punjab, which is located in Lahore, Pakistan. The assembly was established under Article 106 of the Constitution of Pakistan as having a total of 371 seats, with 297 general seats, 66 seats reserved for women and 8 reserved for non-Muslims. The two-story assembly chamber, residential hostels, and expansive lawns cover 16 acres on the Shara-e-Quaid Azam. After it was completed in 1935, the assembly chamber housed the Assembly for the Punjab province. After the division of Punjab and the emergence of Pakistan, the building became the administrative center of Pakistani Punjab. Designed by Basil M. Saloon, chief architect of the Architecture Circle of Punjab, the foundation stone of the assembly chamber was laid by Sir Jajinder Singh, Minister of Agriculture, in November 1935 during the British Raj. The first floor houses the Assembly Hall, which combines Indian and Roman architecture. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.